GEVO, stock analysis, and Gevo stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at Gevo now with that $1.30 level. Honestly, with a 4% increase for Friday, I might say that, yeah, this tapped into my supply zone, but the only thing that will actually make it be bearish is a double break, right? So I'm not going to sit here and assume things, but if I see a shift, if I see this breaking the 120 level, and then we go for the second run, then you know I'm looking to take it further down. It's for sure. So, my bad, let's do it like that. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. I have a lot of Gevo receipts here to results, and if you do want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. There's really nothing else that I would be doing here. That's it. See ya. Goodbye.